Love the performance of cast iron but tired of heavy cookware? Well, Made In's carbon steel wok promises the perfect blend of cast iron's durability, but with the lightweight maneuverability. But does it deliver? Let's dive in and take a look. Made In's carbon steel wok is crafted by Swedish artisans from premium carbon steel, stamped into a thin but remarkably sturdy cooking surface. At just 1.5 millimeters thick, it's half the weight of cast iron, yet every bit as durable. Carbon steel heats rapidly and evenly, eliminating hot spots and giving precise temperature control. With proper seasoning, carbon steel offers an impressive natural non-stick surface that's even easier to maintain than cast iron. Unlike traditional round-bottom woks, Made In's carbon steel wok features that flat bottom, which is specifically designed for modern home stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, or open flame cooking. So flat base and conical shapes provides maximum surface contact, which is ideal for rapidly caramelizing sauces or searing proteins with that signature smoky wok high flavor. The riveted stainless steel handle remains cool longer, offering comfort and safety for tossing and maneuvering dishes easily. The carbon steel wok is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for high-temperature searing, flavorful stir-fries, crispy fried eggs, and fluffy omelets, and much, much more. And its responsiveness makes cooking feel intuitive, even for beginners like me. And carbon steel's naturally non-stick surface allows cooking with minimal oil, which is perfect for healthier and delicious meals. If you're wondering how carbon steel stacks up against stainless steel, well, both offer fantastic heat performance, but carbon steel needs occasional seasoning to maintain its non-stick qualities. Now, thankfully, Made In has already done this first seasoning for you, so that makes it incredibly user-friendly straight out of the box. At LeafScore, we love Made In's carbon steel wok for its impressive combination of durability, lightweight, ease, and exceptional cooking results. It's a great choice for anyone who wants the advantage of cast iron, but without the extra weight. So truly, this could become your new favorite kitchen heirloom. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.